mini cooking class.
Hello guys, today we will show you how to make fruit sandal. What is fruit sandal? A fruit sandal is a yummy Japanese sandwich filled with fresh fruit and white cream. It's soft, sweet, and looks very beautiful when cut. Today, we're gonna make that using a melon and mango, fresh and juicy. The ingredients are 2 slices of soft white bread, whipped cream, of fresh cream, and melon and mango. The ingredients are: first, take 2 slices of soft white bread. Second, spread the whipped cream on one each side bread. Add the melon and putting on one side of bread. Spread white cream on them. Close the sandwich. Put the other bread on the top. The sandwich carefully. Last, enjoy your fruit sandal. That's